Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Well, this is a bit of a short vlog, a bit of an impromptu one, because me and Emma were going delivering some furniture and we drove past this service station. Wait till you get a look at this. Just wait. We got Daleks on the Planet Watch. We've got Transformers on the Transformer Wash, and it is the Transformer Wash. Doctor Who's TARDIS. How awesome is this? Is it open? Is it open? No. On the roof of inner space stations instead of outer space, get it? We've got more Daleks, a Cyberman, and my favourite over here. Well, I'll show you this over here. Han Solo. Is it carbonite he's locked in, I think? We're on the roof. We've got Boba Fett. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. There's even a Cyber Wash dog wash. Look at that. With K9. So yeah, as I was saying, just a quick impromptu vlog. It's only a short one. That's what she said. Hey! And just because I had to stop, because I've seen them. How awesome's that? So anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.